This 2007 Honda Civic has a bad upstream oxygen sensor, and I will show you how I checked for this problem and how I fixed this problem. If you get a check engine light in your vehicle, you should get it checked out as soon as possible. I will be using this Bluetooth OBD2 scanner and this Samsung tablet to scan for fault codes. I just need to insert this OBD2 adapter. It's now in, so I will now launch this Torque app and scan for the fault codes. There are currently 2 fault codes for this vehicle. Code P2A00, which indicates that there is a problem with the evap system, which will be addressed in the next video. This code P2A00 indicates that there is a problem with the upstream oxygen sensor. To fix this, first check the wires to the oxygen sensor to see if they are broken. If the wires are good, it's recommended to replace the upstream oxygen sensor. The upstream oxygen sensor is located at the top here on this 2007 Honda Civic. There is a downstream oxygen sensor down here. That won't be replaced today. For some other Hondas, the upstream and the lowstream oxygen sensors will be under the vehicle. You might be tempted to purchase an aftermarket oxygen sensor, and I would not recommend doing that. I first bought this aftermarket oxygen sensor because it was way cheaper, but it did not work and I had to return it. Look here, they couldn't even get the length of the wires right. This is way too long, and I had to secure the excess with tie straps. I ended up buying this genuine oxygen sensor costing $170 compared to the price of the aftermarket oxygen sensor costing only $50. That's less than 3 times the price of the genuine oxygen sensor. The price got to me, but I learned my lesson. You can try your luck with an aftermarket oxygen sensor though. You might luckily find a brand that works. To replace the oxygen sensor, you need a special tool. You will need one of these oxygen sensor sockets, and I rented this one at AutoZone. You can buy your own, and I will put a link in the description below. I just need to disconnect the electrical wire and use a 3/8 drive and a socket to remove this. The bad oxygen sensor is out. Now I need to install the new genuine oxygen sensor. This sensor already comes with copper anti-seize, and I will add just a little bit more before I install this. I just need to torque to 33 foot-pounds and reconnect the electrical connector. You have the option to clear the fault code or just drive the vehicle until the code goes away. The fault code will go away if the problem is resolved. In my case, I will clear the fault code. So now I have been driving the vehicle for 3 days and I still do not have a check engine light. The problem is resolved. Thanks for watching. But before you go, do something for me. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. See you on the next one, guys.